It's easy to set up and connect the IQ EV Charger 2 using the Enphase Installer app. Commissioning takes less than 3 minutes once installed. Here's how to get started. Simply log in to the Enphase Installer app using Enphase credentials. Select the site where the EV charger is installed and verify the site and device details. To add an IQ EV charger to a home without an existing Enphase system, create a new site. Click on Add System. Add system details and enter the details. Click Add Devices and add IQ EV Charger. Let's commission the IQ EV Charger in 5 easy steps. Scan the QR code located inside or on the bottom of the IQ EV Charger 2, or manually enter the serial number and verify the charger. Allow camera and Bluetooth permissions when prompted for a smooth setup. As the charger connects via Bluetooth, keep the phone close to the device. Name the charger and select the electrical grid type from the drop-down menu. For the 3-phase grid type, configure the wiring. Set the maximum allowed charging current per phase anywhere between 6 amps to 32 amps, based on the contracted power and site consumption. It is mandatory to install a Type A RCD to ensure protection against leakage currents. Confirm the installation before proceeding. To complete the setup, connect the charger via Wi-Fi or Ethernet and follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the provisioning process to finish. Once the provisioning is done, enable local green charging and dynamic load balancing to maximize the performance of the EV charger. To set up local green charging, connect IQ EV Charger to Gateway. Enable the dynamic load balancing feature to allow the IQ EV Charger to adjust the EV charging power according to the household power consumption. Validation is an optional but recommended step to ensure the charger is included in the home consumption. An EV must be connected to the charger to perform validation. If an EV is available, tap Continue to begin the validation or choose Skip to proceed without it. The charger is set up and ready to use. With IQ EV Charger 2 installed, you get more than just a charge. You get smart, seamless energy management, right from the Enphase app.